In this Money Smart Basics video, we'll explore how military VA loans work and how you can leverage them to build real estate wealth. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end to receive a bonus tip. The VA loan is a powerful tool. It's a unique benefit available to those who have served in the military, providing an opportunity to secure a home with favorable terms. It can help you build wealth. By leveraging this benefit, you can start building equity in a home, which can be a significant financial asset over time. It's a benefit you've earned. You've served our country with dedication and honor, and now it's time to take advantage of the rewards that come with that service. Now let's use this benefit to achieve financial freedom. Owning a home can provide stability and a sense of security for you and your family. Imagine buying a home with no down payment. This means you can move into your dream home without the financial burden of saving for years. That's the power of a VA loan. It opens doors that might otherwise remain closed, making homeownership more accessible. It's a dream come true for many. The joy of owning a home is a milestone that brings immense satisfaction and pride. This program is designed for you. It's tailored to meet the unique needs of veterans and active duty service members. It helps you achieve homeownership. The process is streamlined to make it easier for you to qualify and secure a loan. VA loans offer competitive interest rates. These rates are often lower than conventional loans, making your monthly payments more affordable. This means lower monthly payments for you. With reduced financial strain, you can allocate funds to other important areas of your life. They also come with less stringent credit requirements. This makes it easier for veterans with varying credit histories to qualify. This program is designed to help you succeed. It's structured to support your financial goals and long-term stability. This is your chance to invest in your future. Homeownership can be a stepping stone to other financial opportunities and investments. A home can provide stability. It's a place where you can build memories and create a lasting legacy for your family. It can also generate wealth. Over time, the value of your home can increase, providing you with significant financial returns. Let's explore how you can unlock this potential. With the right guidance and resources, you can make the most of your VA loan benefits and secure a prosperous future. Qualifying for a VA loan is easier than you think. This special benefit is designed to help veterans, active duty service members, and certain members of the National Guard and Reserves achieve the dream of homeownership. You need a Certificate of Eligibility, or COE. This crucial document is your ticket to accessing the VA loan benefits. This document verifies your service. It confirms that you meet the necessary service requirements to qualify for the loan. You can easily obtain it online. The VA website provides a straightforward process to apply for and receive your COE. The length of service determines your eligibility. Your service record will detail the time you have served, which is a key factor in the qualification process. Generally, 90 days of active duty during wartime is required. This means if you served during a period of conflict, you might already meet the criteria. For peacetime service, it's 181 days. Serving during non-conflict times requires a bit longer duration to qualify. Reservists and National Guard members also qualify. These members play a crucial role and are eligible for the VA loan benefits as well. You need 6 years of service. This applies to those who have served in the Reserves or National Guard. You may also qualify under certain conditions. These special circumstances can include various factors related to your service and discharge status. These include being discharged for a service-connected disability. If you were discharged due to an injury or condition related to your service, you might still be eligible. Don't assume you don't qualify. Check your eligibility online. The VA website has tools to help you determine if you meet the requirements. The process is simple and fast. With just a few clicks, you can find out if you are eligible and start your journey towards homeownership. It's the first step towards your dream home. The VA loan can make homeownership a reality for you and your family. Once you have your COE, you can apply for the loan. Choose a lender that specializes in VA loans. They understand the process best. You will need to provide financial documentation. This includes your income and credit history. The lender will review your debt-to-income ratio. The lender will also order an appraisal of the property. This ensures that the home is valued appropriately. It protects you from overpaying. The VA guarantees a portion of the loan. This makes you a less risky borrower. It results in more favorable loan terms for you. The next step is finding your dream home. Consider your needs and lifestyle. How much space do you need? What amenities are important? Location is key. Look for a property in a good school district. Consider the proximity to your work and amenities. Think about your future plans. Will your family be growing? Do you need a home office? Work with a real estate agent who understands VA loans. They can help you find properties that meet your needs. They can guide you through the process. Section 5. Financing your dream. Exploring your VA loan options. VA loans offer flexibility and a range of benefits specifically designed for veterans and active duty service members. These loans can make homeownership more accessible and affordable. You can choose a fixed-rate mortgage. This provides predictable payments, ensuring that your monthly mortgage amount remains the same throughout the life of the loan. This stability can be particularly beneficial for budgeting and long-term financial planning, or you can opt for an adjustable-rate mortgage, also known as an ARM. ARMs typically start with lower interest rates compared to fixed-rate mortgages, which can be advantageous if you plan to sell or refinance before the rate adjusts. The VA loan program also offers cash-out refinancing. This option allows you to replace your existing mortgage with a new one, while also taking out cash from your home's equity. This allows you to tap into your home equity. You can use the funds for various purposes such as home renovations, which can increase the value of your property, or for debt consolidation to manage and reduce your overall debt. You can use the funds for renovations or debt consolidation. Renovating your home can improve your living conditions and potentially increase your home's market value, while debt consolidation can simplify your finances by combining multiple debts into a single payment. Consider an interest rate reduction refinance loan, or IRRL. This streamlined refinance option is designed to help you secure a lower interest rate with minimal paperwork and no appraisal requirement. This can help you lower your monthly payments, making it easier to manage your household budget and save money over the life of the loan. It can also shorten your loan term. By reducing the length of your mortgage, you can pay off your home faster and save on interest payments. Your lender will guide you through the different options. They can provide expert advice tailored to your unique financial situation and help you understand the benefits and potential drawbacks of each loan type. They will help you choose the best loan for your needs. With the right guidance, you can make informed decisions and take full advantage of the benefits offered by VA loans, ensuring a secure and affordable path to homeownership. Section 6. Saluting Success, Real Stories of VA Loan Victories. Meet Sarah, a veteran who used a VA loan.
She bought her first home with no down payment. Today, her home has appreciated significantly. She has built substantial wealth.
John, another veteran, used a VA loan to refinance his mortgage.
He lowered his monthly payments. This freed up cash flow to invest in his business.
These are just two examples. Countless veterans have achieved financial success. The VA loan program has made it possible. These stories are inspiring. They demonstrate the power of the VA loan. You too can achieve your dreams of homeownership. Section 7. Expert Insights. Maximizing your real estate investment. Real estate is a powerful wealth-building tool, but it's important to make smart decisions.
Seek expert advice to maximize your investment. Consult with a financial advisor. They can help you develop a financial plan. This plan should include your real estate goals.
Consider working with a real estate investment specialist. They can provide valuable insights. They can guide you towards profitable investments.
Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about real estate, the better equipped you will be. Make informed decisions to secure your financial future. Section 8. Resources for Success. Your guide to VA loan expertise. Navigating the world of VA loans can seem daunting, but there are resources available to guide you. The Department of Veterans Affairs website is a great starting point. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau offers a wealth of information. You can find articles and tools to help you understand your rights. There are also numerous nonprofit organizations. They provide free counseling and support to veterans. They can answer your questions and address your concerns. Don't hesitate to reach out for help. There are experts ready to assist you every step of the way. Section 9. from service to security, building your financial future. You've served our country with honor. Now it's time to secure your financial future. The VA loan program is your ticket to homeownership. Embrace this opportunity. Take the first step towards building wealth.
Your dream home is within reach. Imagine the pride of owning your own home. Think of the stability it will provide for you and your family. This is your chance to create a brighter future. You've earned this benefit. Now let it work for you. Unlock your financial freedom. Start building generational wealth today.
Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. With that, you are ahead of 90% of most people in America. Here is the bonus tip that we promise. This is why you need to check your VA loan benefits right now. Many veterans miss out on amazing real estate deals simply because they don't know their VA benefits. Unlock your potential today and start saving big. The information in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only and is not intended as financial advice. We are not financial advisors, and the content should not be construed as professional financial advice. Always seek the advice of a qualified financial advisor or other professional regarding your specific financial situation. The use of any information provided in this video is solely at your own risk. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos.